What's up, guys? It's your boy, Chauncy the Realtor. Realtor Life Volume 4 or 5, whatever this is. It's been a minute. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are safe, healthy, and productive in this winter season that we're getting into. Holidays coming up. So just to kind of keep it somewhat short and sweet, what I've been up to in my realtor life, I've been reading a lot of good books, man. Reading a lot of good books about real estate, life, business, priorities, goals, all that good stuff. Self-improvement is key. So really working hard. Got some big goals set. Our goals are to get 2 listings a week, 2 buyers a week under contract, 2 approved buyers under contract every week. That's 4 deals a week. Ends up making a pretty productive team in business. So working hard at that, plugging away at that. Got a funny story to kind of tell you in regards to, we always talk about the 10%. 10% in life that you can control. The 10% life that you can control is your attitude, your effort, your preparation. Attitude, effort, preparation. So the first story I'll tell you is kind of what's happened the last couple of weeks. I met a nice guy through cold calling. We do, as you guys know, and we've been saying for a while now, you know, a large part of our business and how we find listings and business is through cold calling. So we're cold calling. I meet a guy. He has a pretty nice property, good dude. Connect with them, do the listing appointment. Boom, decides to hire us. Turns out the guy has some personality issues. You know, nothing personal. It's never personal. It's always business. You know, what's best for him, best for us. Personality issues to where there was some colorful text messages being sent my way, quote unquote, not directed towards me. Group text, multiple people in it, not you, or wrong message, wrong thread. Happened a couple of times. Reached out to my guy, was like, hey man, you know, what's going on with these messages? Long story short, it's never shorter. Long story shorter, hey man, it's not directed towards you, my bad. Happened 2 or 3 times. Okay. So then, after dealing with that a few times, then we got to the point where we had the sign installed at the gentleman's house, and I get a frantic call from the sign company saying that the gentleman is outside the house with a gun. Yes, with a gun. He's holding up the sign people at gunpoint. So I called the gentleman. It's a nice listing, to be honest with you. Nice listing, nice neighborhood. It'll be a decent payday, you know, when the job gets done. But sometimes, man, all money ain't good money. And you got to have standards, you know, expectations, you know, for yourself and your business and what your name is associated to and connected to. So based on that, I asked the gentleman to terminate our contract. I ended up letting him go as a client. All peaceful though, not one hostile word, no disrespect towards him or exchange between us, 100% respect, but I just don't have the time, effort, or energy to do business on those terms. So that's just one story, kind of interesting. A seller decided to pull a gun out on the sign people. Another thing that happened here recently, good news, is we had a really nice listing appointment and got a nice condo listing downtown Minneapolis. The gentleman who's out of state. So again, a lot of what we do is cold calling people who've tried to sell, didn't have success, or they tried to sell on their own, didn't have success. Those are called expired, canceled, or for sale by owners. And we come in and we relist the property with our marketing strategy, our marketing plan, the way that we go about doing things, pretty unique strategies that we use to get people's homes sold. So it was just kind of nice, man. You know, he had one agent, and then didn't go so hot. Wasn't the best job by the agent. He hired us, and then when he seen how his marketing looked and how the product looked and all the things we did to help his property be shown and marketed in his best light, he's very happy and sent me an email thanking me for helping him and his family get that property listed. So that felt good, man. As hard as we work and as hard as it is to come across business, you know, especially on the listing side, super hard to find listings. Now with the interest rates and everything changing, it's harder to find buyers too. So when you do get those listings and you're an agent like myself and my team, where we actually care and we actually give it our best effort, we don't just take cell phone pictures and put it up on the internet for somebody to come sell, you know, put a sign out front with one outside picture. You see so much of that, man. We actually go way up and above the Call of Duty, and I've been told by many people I'm probably doing too much for our listings, but that's just the standard that I've set for myself, that when somebody trusts me with their hundreds of thousands of dollars in their investment, a real estate property, when somebody trusts me, my team, with probably their most expensive asset in their life, the biggest decision they ever made, probably besides marriage and children, is buying real estate property. I don't take that lightly, man. I honestly take it very personally, and I have a great deal of pride in the fact that, you know, we're really truly here happy to help and doing the best that we can to get the best result. Now, sometimes things are beyond your control. You know, we can control our attitude, our effort, our preparation, you know, but there's certain things outside of our control, you know. So it is what it is, man. So that's that. We hired a new agent to our team. We lost one agent, added another agent. This kind of is what it is. The agent left the team all peaceful. She said she felt like she wanted to go out on her own and do her own thing. God bless. I hope you sell 1 million houses. I want to see everybody win. No hard feelings, no hatred, no ill will. I seen her in the office yesterday. It was all smiles. It's all good. But the other gentleman that I'm hiring to our team, very good guy, very sharp agent. We'll be seeing and hearing from him really soon, and excited about what he brings to our team. So that's kind of where we are right now, man. Working really hard. Got a lot of business happening. In the last 2 weeks, we've had 4, 5, 6 transactions, a couple buyers, a few listings, hitting the market, closing. So we're busy, man. We're being productive. Just working hard, though, man. You know, a couple things I take a lot of pride in is my work ethic. I'm not the sharpest guy, you know, in terms of straight up brain power, not the smartest guy, not the tallest guy, not the fastest guy, not the strongest guy, not the most handsome guy, but what I can control is my attitude, my effort. So my mindset is this: I'm going to outwork everybody. You know, at this part of the year, especially holidays, most agents literally leave the state, like gone. Florida, Miami, Texas, Vegas, you know, out of here, you know, for one. And then for two, if they do stay up here in the cities, up here in the Twin Cities, Minnesota area, during the winter, they definitely put it on autopilot. You know, they're not actively pursuing business. They're not cold calling, prospecting, meeting with clients. They're kind of in autopilot, just kind of maintaining the status quo and just kind of taking things as they pop up, but not working. I don't know how not to work, man. I just don't know how to do that. I don't know how to not work. That's just who I am as a person, you know, and nothing in my life ever came easy. Definitely not born with a silver spoon in my mouth, you know. I'm sure people have had it much harder than me in life. I had it hard, had it rough coming up, but I'm sure people have had it much rougher than me. It's always somebody who's got it worse than you know, but what I know is, you know, I'll never be able to look myself in the face and say it was because I didn't try hard enough. You know, and when I do find myself in a place where I'm slacking or not doing what I'm supposed to do, you know, that's when I ask my mentor, You know, because my mentor, I love my mentor. He's my broker. He tells me the truth. Sometimes it hurts. Hey, what do you think I should do in my business to take it to the next level? What am I missing? What should I be doing? What should I be doing? And he'll get me straight, slap me around and get me straight. But that's it, man. That's kind of where I'm at right now. It's November 18th, 2022. So that's where we're on right now, man. Grinding, working hard, pushing. Again, our goal is 2 listings a week, 2 buyers under contract, buying properties a week. That's 4 deals a week. You know, we do that, 16 deals a month. You know, do the math on that. It all takes care of itself, but it don't happen on accident, brother. It does not happen on accident. It is not magic. So that's me, man. That's where I'm at right now. Chauncy, the Realtor. Realtor Life, volume something. God bless, man. Like, comment, subscribe. You know, share with me, man. What are you guys doing? What's going on in your life? What are you working on? What goals do you have? You know, what are you doing on a daily basis? You know, what's going on? Let me know. God bless. Chauncy Realtor out.